Good morning, YouTube. We have a earthquake update today, and we have a 2.9 magnitude earthquake in Colorado. The earthquake occurred on the 9th of February 2013 at 02:58 hours at the epicenter, and the epicenter was located 12 miles west-southwest of Cokedale, Colorado. That seems to be a rather active area. Over the past 3 months, at least Cokedale has ended up on my reports at least once a month, if not twice in some cases. But also 17 miles west-southwest of Starkville, Colorado, and 19 miles west-southwest of Trinidad, Colorado. And it occurred at a depth of 4 kilometers. That was a 2.9 magnitude. So that's your update for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.